What makes bats the perfect hosts for so many viruses? What makes bats the perfect hosts for so many viruses? Bats have been known to host up to 137 different kinds of viruses. Bats are mammals that have forelimbs adapted as wings. As such, they are the only mammals that are naturally capable of sustained flight. Within the United States, there are more than 40 species of bats. They are found in every state of the U.S. and live in different habitats ranging from woodlands and deserts to suburbs and cities. Rabid bats reported in the United States during 2012. U.S. CDC bats are often associated with horror stories, vampires, and haunted houses. For the most part, these creatures are misunderstood. Other than being the only mammal that can fly, bats are the perfect hosts for a lot of disease-causing viruses. Bats have been known to carry rabies, Hendra and Marburg viruses, and research has also suggested that bats may be the original hosts of Ebola and Nipah. The Marburg virus and some strains of the Ebola virus can kill up to 90% of humans infected. India's Kerala state has just faced an outbreak of the Nipah virus and 17 people have died so far. This may seem like a small number, but only one of the 18 people infected survived. For a number of these viruses hosted by bats, there is no known cure or vaccine, which means that doctors can only offer supportive treatment while the patient's immune system fights off the virus. When it comes to carrying viruses that can be transferred to other species including humans, bats are in a league of their own. These flying mammals host over 60 zoonotic viruses. This is rivaled only by rodents that carry a wide range of bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and helminths. Researchers compiled and analyzed databases of every virus identified in bats and rodents. They found that rodents host 179 viruses, 68 of which are zoonotic, while bats carry 61 zoonotic viruses, with 137 viruses in total. So, rodents win by a slight margin in carrying more human-infecting viruses, but bats host more zoonotic viruses per species. On average, each species of bat hosts 1.8 zoonotic viruses, while rodents host 1.48 viruses per species. Why do bats transmit so many diseases? Humans have started creeping into areas where bats naturally live, especially in the tropics, which has led to an increased risk of contact with these animals.